மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க் யூ.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this week we are going to see review of another wonderful match by Manchester United, and this week we played against Spurs, and this match happened in their stadium, Wembley Stadium, in London, and it was a great pressure for both of the managers, Ole and Nuno, because both the teams were not playing good in the recent times. So Ole came up with a change in the formation. So previously we used to do 4-1-3-1 and 4-2-3-1, and now he changed it to 5-3-2. We can say, otherwise we can say 3-5-2, because three at the back, Maguire, Lindelof, and Varane. Varane's arrival uh, you know made the defense stronger. In mid, in the wide, it was Luke Shaw and Van Bissaka. In the mid, it is Bruno, McTominay and Fred, and then in the forward it was Ronaldo and Cavani. So that was one of the partnership every Manchester United fan were looking for. So everyone wanted them to pair up and do some magic in the top. And finally, yesterday it happened, and they both started the game. And the first goal came from Ronaldo. That was a beautiful pass from Bruno, as always, from the edge of the D box. So that even better than the pass, the goal was more beautiful, because you can see the angle here. If you see this picture, you can see how this ball goes in. There was a little bit of space between Loris and the far post. So Ronaldo managed to hit the ball to the far post, and it went in. So that was a beautiful goal by Ronaldo, and that was a beautiful assist again by Bruno. He did well, and this was the celebration after the goal of Ronaldo. So once the first goal gone, then uh, the team were pumped up, and they started pushing much, and they got the second goal. And before that, we can see the reaction of Paul Pogba after Cristiano's goal, and it is a wow finish. Wow, 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 wow. And the second goal is from Cavani. This is something I expected, because I want to see this celebration. And he was doing a lot for the team. He was covering the whole ground. He was doing some defensive work as well. His work rate was very good. So everyone expected Cavani should score a single goal at least, and finally he managed to do that. And the assist was from Cristiano Ronaldo. The pre-assist was from Bruno. Again, Bruno stopped the ball, gave a pass to Ronaldo. Ronaldo, he did the trick like before. He stopped the ball. He put a through ball, and Cavani scored it beautifully from a good angle actually. And that was 2-0 up. And everyone loved this picture, because this duo looks very dangerous actually. And here you can see the celebration from our fans, also the players after the second goal. See how much everyone loves. And they started this fog thing. I loved it from the away fans. That was looking so nice. And finally, after some 70 minutes, I think, and Ronaldo was substituted by Ole, because we have two important games in this coming week. So it is good to give some rest to Ronaldo, and also to Cavani. So instead of Ronaldo, Rashford came in, and for Cavani, Lingard came in. As soon as he came in, he made some impact on the pitch, and he managed to score a goal. Actually, that was a beautiful pass from Matic actually, and it's a kind of a through ball, and then he took it from there and he scored it beautifully. So the score was 3-0 up, and finally everyone's face was like this. The Wallace face. Everyone were so happy that we won 3-0. The main thing is the clean sheet we kept after so many games, and the back three did a good job actually, and impressive work done by Varane. Also in the second half, Maguire did a good job. So it was a good, they gave us not tested so much by these first players. And yeah, after so much of pain, and finally we have something to be happy. And this is some reaction from some kind of a reaction from Manchester United fans, because of the clean sheet, because of the substitution, and the good performance by Maguire. Also, we saw some dribbling by Van Bissaka. He used to do it, but yesterday he did it better. And Ole was not at his seats. He was on the touchline. He was keep on, giving some small tips to players. So that was looking so good because he is showing some passion. So that's good. And this is how if you don't know from where this movie, this is from Bahubali, Indian movie, and this is how the Manchester City and Atlanta sees after the victory. So let's hope this will continue. And finally, Ole's job is saved by Ronaldo again, one more time. Ole turned to Conte. Ole plus Conte is equal to Conte. Yeah, because everyone said like that because of the formation, the way they played, everything looked good, and everyone loved the game. And after continuous beautiful performance from Arsenal, they managed to come up 13 places from 19th place to 6th place, and they were sitting on top of Manchester United before the game because they won 2-0 against Leicester. But after the game, we won and we went to top, and with the goal difference, even though the points are same, the goal difference is high for us, so we are sitting on top of them. And after continuous poor performance, we are still only 3 points behind Manchester City, and we are going to have the Manchester Derby next week, which is going to be very important, and that's going to be a you know most important match because it is against our own rivals. And let's see how it goes. And as we all knew that he's going to be the Manchester United player of the match because he scored a goal, he gave assist as well. That was a beautiful performance. Here we see the results of the match. The matches that we have to see is the first one, Arsenal versus Leicester. The two goals in the first half that gave them the 3 points, and Liverpool and Brighton they drew the match. Liverpool got a chance, but they missed it. They missed the chance to be on par with Chelsea, and we have to see if it is going to affect them in the title race. Manchester City they lost against Crystal Palace, and that is something encouraging for Manchester United, and we won it against Tottenham for 3-0. And another important match is this Chelsea match. They are keep on doing the best that they can do. Uh, Keep on having the clean sheets. This is their seventh clean sheet, I think, in this series, in this year's fixtures. So it's good to see they play very well, even in home or in away. So it's going to be very tough for Liverpool or Manchester City or United to catch them in the title race. So let's see how it goes. And this is how the table looks. Chelsea on the top, Liverpool second, Manchester City 5 points behind Chelsea, West Ham having one game in hand, Manchester United 8 points behind Chelsea. Stats we all knew, and it's Salah on top, Bruno on fifth place with 4 goals, Ronaldo again fifth place with 4 goals. Assist for Paul Pogba still tops the table with 7, and we could see Luke Shaw and Fred came up this week with another yellow cards, and we are expecting Luke Shaw's performance should improve as it was in the starting of this year. So let's see how it goes. And next week, I think we have a match with Manchester City that is on Saturday, November 6th at 6 p.m. It is IST time, so 6 p.m. And it would be 1:30 local English time. And we hope we win this match and we sit on top with Manchester City, which is going to be very important for us to secure the Champions League place. Let's meet after that game next week. Thank you. Bye bye.